Hi everyone, this is Andrea with Chickettes, and today I want to demonstrate for you a product that I received for review. This is called YouVeeShield, and what it is a disposable shield with broad spectrum UV protection that blocks 99% of light during a manicure or pedicure. So this is for your gel manis, and this is a solution that really I believe is more for in salon use. So if you're a nail tech, I know many of my followers are nail techs, you may be interested in this. So I'm just going to demonstrate this product and talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages. So this is the packaging. It's kind of big here to fit in front of my camera the way I have it set up, but you can see there's the logo, and if I slide it over you can see the other side of it. So it demonstrates a little hand going into the light there, and they're actually falling, all the products are falling out of my packaging, but that's okay. So this is what the YouVeeShield looks like. It's basically a soft, it feels like plastic material. Looking at the pictures, I thought this would be like a sort of a hard, crunchy material. It's actually very soft, very flexible, and it is a shield. It's not a glove. It's just one solid piece of this plastic that lays on top of your hand basically as you're getting this manicure. So this will fit on your hand or your foot, so you could use it for a manicure or a pedicure, and it is one size fits most. So these holes here that you put your fingers in are very stretchy, and you sort of stretch it to fit, so it should fit most people, which is good. Another advantage to these shields for salons is that they're disposable. They're affordable, so it's not a product that, like the gloves might cost you $8 or $10 for a pair of gloves. This is going to be a much more affordable option for you. It's disposable, but I am a big recycler, so I don't really know how great these are for the environment. I did not ask that question, so that's one other thing to consider. So the cost of these, I think, is about, I think you can get 20 of them, 20 of the shields for $40 or $40.95, and then 80 of them for $90.95. And so that makes them about anywhere from $1.14 a piece and up. So you could get away with using one of these per client if you reused it on both of their hands or both of their feet. Or you would use two per mani. I'm not sure which you prefer, but probably two is more professional. So let me just demonstrate how this works. So there is a little slit here for my thumb. I'm going to pop my thumb through there. And I know you guys are all going to ask me about what color I'm wearing and about this manicure that I have on my nails right now, and I'll post a link to that in the description, so be sure to check there for that information. And then the 4 fingers poke through up here, and you just sort of put your fingers through the hole and slide it down until the material is nice and secure around the finger. Now you can see I have a shield, and just my fingertips are exposed and the rest of my hand is covered. So I could, if I were doing a manicure and I wanted to cure my nails, I would slide my hand into the light, and my hand is protected from that, from the UV rays. So it's a little bit clumsy, if you ask me. That this shield kind of, it just lays on top of your hand, so if your clients are moving around or if you're moving around a lot, it's going to just sort of flap around a little bit. But if your clients are sitting still, it shouldn't be a problem. And we know not everybody's capable of sitting still. The other problem that I have with this is that it limits your mobility, your ability to move your fingers. So I don't really have use of my hand, which, as a client, I shouldn't be using my hand while I'm getting my nails done, but I like to be able to at least move my fingers. And then as the person doing the nails, if I were doing someone else's nails, I know when I do my mom's nails, I kind of like to isolate a finger at a time, so it's a little hard for me to get in between those fingers, and this is actually very hard to demonstrate on myself at this angle, but imagine a client sitting there and trying to isolate each finger. It makes it a little more complicated. But this type of product could definitely put your clients' minds at ease, and they might feel more protected. So this is a good option. And I'm going to show you real quick 2 other solutions that you might also consider. I also have, this is a UV glove, which offers the same type of protection. This is a reusable product, so I think this is more a better solution for at-home use because you can wash it and reuse it. Salons, you may not want to have to wash in between each use, but you know, you buy it, you use it, you reuse it, you can wash it if you get it dirty, and you have full movement and flexibility. So that's a plus. And the other solution that I prefer is good old broad spectrum SPF. So this is just my daily facial moisturizer, and it has SPF 30. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, and which means it protects from UVA and UVB rays. And all you have to do is apply this on your hands or any kind of sunscreen with broad spectrum protection on your hands, you know, 5 to 10 minutes before your manicure, and you should be protected. So I hope you found this video useful and helpful, and have a nice day.